Good girl. Hey. Down. Good. That paw. I won't release the food if she paws at me. And I'll correct her for it at some point. But I'm in the middle of trying to teach a skill. So it's just easier, in my opinion, to wait and deal with that later. Good. Break. Down. So she's catching on to what we're doing here. So I'm going to do this now. I'm going to sit on the couch and then I'm going to stand up. And make sure it looks just as good. Good girl. Break. Good job. Good job. So I'm going to sit here. Down. Good. Good girl. If she stays in the position, I might treat her a little bit more. Good girl. Just to build that duration. Break. Good girl. Down. Use a little leash pressure, which she does well with because we used it a ton yesterday. Good girl. Good job. Good. Break. Good girl. Might as well try adding just a little bit of duration while I move around and just see how she does and what it looks like. Down. Here's somebody whining in there. Willow. Katie. Good girl. Down. Good. So I'm just going to shift my weight around a little bit. Walk to the other side of her. Good. Good. Break. Yes, good girl. Good job. Down. Leash pressure. Good. Good. And go over and reward her in the position. So with puppies, I really like to teach them that I will come back and give them food if they hold the position, so that they're not just always thinking about getting up. Good girl. Break. Good job. Good job.